to coin it in to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom or expression today is coin it in. I personally never heard and never used this expression. I might have said dial it in, which we maybe will cover another day, but I have never used or never heard coin it in. And that's because it's primarily heard in the United Kingdom and in Australia. It means to earn a lot of money quickly. Now, it's not sure exactly when it became used, but it led me on a journey of finding things out about different coins. Commander's coins in the military, I found that fascinating, how the military senior leadership will use coins, their own unique coins that have been designed, they're like works of art, to acknowledge a job well done. So the military does all kinds of cool things that the rest of us don't know about, but I have family in the military, so sometimes I hear and see about some of their traditions, and one of those is I'm struggling with how to present it, is you have to show your coins, or a coin challenge where you'll have to show your coin, and whoever has the highest ranking coin, or whoever doesn't show their coin fast enough will have to buy a round of drinks, things like that. Military has all kinds of drinking rituals and games, right? But I found that topic of coins as a recognition or as a tool of leadership really, really fascinating. Also, Shakespeare, of course, had something to say about coins with respect to coining a phrase, and that was in 1607. And it wasn't until the 1800s that phrase, to coin a phrase, became popular in the United States. But I'm not sure when and if coin it in is even popular in the United States. So I would love to know, have you heard, have you used, are you familiar with this particular expression? And since I talk to people all over the world, I'm sure some of you have. So share your stories or your experience with this idiom. So how does this apply to building and growing and supersizing our business? Coining it in, if we take the earn a lot of money and quickly, earning a lot of money quickly, we all would rather earn it quickly rather than slowly, but I say we want a combination of both. But how do you personally coin it in or earn money quickly in your business? I think we all need some ways. We have our core business, right? But we all need some ways to encourage quick inflows of cash when necessary in our business. So there's lots of different ways we can do that. I actually had a list of 18 different types of passive income, because if we have passive income flowing into our business, that would be a way to coin things in, or to tap into one of these forms of passive income in order to grow and supersize our business quickly. I shared this with our annual challenge, since we're focusing on financial well-being this month. We've had a lot of different topics that we've talked about in that. And one of those was different types of passive income. So what are some ways we could coin it in or get quick influxes of cash in our business? To grab a magnifying glass and see what this says. Create a course, write an ebook or an actual book, figure out a way to generate rental income. Maybe you manufacture high and super expensive equipment, and you could rent that equipment out, not just sell it outright. Affiliate marketing, flip retail products, meaning buy and sell retail products. Obviously, these are written with respect to personal financial income, but they could be applied to our businesses as well. Peer-to-peer lending. Is there a way that your business can finance your high cost programs? Dividend stock, create an app. REITs, real estate investment trusts, a bond ladder, sponsored posts on social media, invest in high yield CDs or savings accounts, rent out your home, again, personal, or rent out areas of your business. Maybe you have a great big conference center or a big area in your facilities that you could rent out for different things. Advertise on your car, advertise on your distribution channel things. Create a blog or a YouTube channel to promote and share your business. Again, another rent out useful household items or useful business items, right? Sell designs online. So those are just some short-term ideas. I say in my business, what we do is we'll put out an offer via email or now text messaging these days, a special offer to a group of customers within our customer base, special just to them if we want to get an influx of cash. There's all different ways you can do it. I like to tie, and it was really interesting. As part of today's topic for our annual challenge, I discovered that Forbes had shared an article that says 71% of Americans feel some level of financial struggle or stress. 71%. That's at least 178 million people. So one of the things I like to do is find a way to tie a financial win or not loss to my offers that I offer to my customers. So is there a way that I can tie in how it's going to help them make money, save money? That will always make my offers more appealing to my customer base or to a specific part of my customer base. We all have varying and different types of customers that our business appeals to. And so we want to make sure that we make offers to those different levels of people that we want to involve in our business. People that are just getting involved with us in our business are in a different position than people that have been with us for 10 or 15 years. And we want to treat them differently. I always reward the people that have been with me for a long time more than the people that are just starting out. And that is just the opposite of what most businesses do, right? Think of your cable company. Does anybody have cable anymore? Think of your internet providers. Think of your cell phone companies. They have all these offers to bring in new people, but then they don't treat their long-term customers the same way. I left T-Mobile for that very reason, and I had been a T-Mobile customer for like 11 years. So keep that in mind as you are building and growing and supersizing your business. Share in the comments below, how do you coin it in? I gotta say, I'm probably never going to use this phrase, but it's fun to learn new things, right? And think about what they mean, where they came from, and how we can apply them to our business. It gives us a different type of perspective, and that's always a good thing. All right, have an awesome day. Any questions, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.